For crimps in large diameter duct and pipe, or for simply large crimping jobs, the Malco Turbo Tool C5A drill attachment makes fast, easy, precise crimps in galvanized steel up to 24 gauge. The crimper attaches to a drill you already own. With the drill at low forward speed, the rotation of the meshing teeth on adjacent gears provides the desired crimp. A lever control opens gears for easy insertion and removal of metal. A 9-to-1 gear reduction ensures safety and control. Get the professional results you want, faster, easier, with the professional tools you need. Tools of the Trade by Malco.